step-by-step guide to clean artificial grass cleaning. Fake grass is something that most people never consider. They overlook whether their artificial turf needs upkeep once they finish installing it. However, it's important to remember that synthetic turf requires some maintenance. And if how to clean artificial grass is still a mystery to you, then I've put up a list of simple procedures for cleaning fake grass. So, before you begin the cleaning procedure, there are a few things that you need to have on hand. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Regularly remove leaves and debris. It goes without saying that artificial turf will have to deal with everyday dust and dirt. If you have any trees in your garden, the leaves will undoubtedly fall and make it seem unkempt. Well, it's not a major issue. All you have to do is stick to a regular cleaning schedule. To blow away the dust and leaves, use a vacuum cleaner or a petrol leaf blower. Step 2. Consider applying weed killer. Often, don't worry, fake grass is sensitive to airborne seeds, or weeds as they are known. That is there to harm, but it will undoubtedly spoil a new viewpoint. As a result, it is strongly advised that you include weed killer spray in your normal artificial grass cleaning practice. It's not necessary to do it on a regular basis. Once a month is a good idea. If a weed does grow, you may easily cut it. Step 3. Brush your fake grass. If there is no other method to remove dust or grime from the fake grass, you should use a soft bristle brush to clean it. To clean your synthetic grass correctly, you may use a standard detergent and a brush. This is a rather simple task that requires little effort on your part. If you don't have time to clean your fake grass yourself, you may hire specialists to help you. Step 4. Remove pet waste. Your dogs are the leading cause of artificial grass damage and contamination. If you have pets, they will undoubtedly enjoy playing on the grass. Pet garbage is the worst thing you'll encounter with them. Step 5. Keep your artificial grass out of UV rays. Synthetic grass is not very resistant to hazardous solar rays since it is made of synthetic material. As a result, if your grass is exposed to the sun, it may be more prone to color loss. And if the color of the artificial grass fades, it will never look new again. Therefore, use a green shade to protect your fake grass and avoid any color fading issues.